Yo y'all, today I'm making another video. Uh, Today I'm playing Bedwars, as you can clearly see. Haven't played it yet on the channel. I'm not gonna lie, it's a pretty fun game, one of my favorite games. I think we're gonna be starting off playing some solos, but we might move into some duos later. Alright, so let's go. Oh yeah, so the new update just came out in the game. I'm not gonna mainly be focusing on the update. I'm just gonna be focusing on playing because it's my first video playing this game on the channel. So I think I'll just be like, playing normally and not focusing on getting like eggs and stuff. Yes, I am using Uzi Kit. Okay, I think we're gonna go for the rush. Oh, oops. Okay, yeah, I should be able to kill him. Went to bed, and we're gone. Now we're full HP, we come back, and we go and kill him. And, yep, he's dead. Alright. And we got all this iron, so it'd be... Okay, we might be able to get iron armor pretty quickly now. Okay, we already got one in armor. That's pretty good. We're doing pretty well. Okay, I think we'll just go for a stone doll, and then I think we'll go to mid and get some emeralds. How much emeralds we got? 2. Alright, not bad. Okay, I think we're gonna go for the diamond armor. You can get diamond armor 3 minutes into the game. That's gonna be really good. Let's go 3 minutes and 1 second in the game. We got diamond armor. Fastest time? Probably not, but maybe it is. Alright, so let's go iron doll, and let's get a bow and arrows. Alright, I think we'll go rush. Let's go over, who's over here? Pink? Pink got a bed? They do. I'll probably go back to mid after, and I'll might go to mid, get some balloons, telepearls, stuff like that. And someone else is in mid right now too. I might kill them. I'm pretty sure they're on pink as well, which is also pretty good because now they don't have a bed. I was right, they are on pink. Hello, sir. Oh, there he goes. Yo, 7 emeralds? That's a lot. Do I still have my bed? I think I do. Yo, Tanker Man, what's up, bro? Oh, there he goes. Alright, I don't know if I should go for Diamond Out. I don't think I'm going to. I think I'll just buy that. Maybe with my iron I'll get a better axe. Okay, I'll put all that. Oh, what should I get? Maybe I should get ducks. Nah, I think I'll go with... I'll just get telepearls. Alright, red's got a bed too. Going to take that. I don't know how much people are left. Let me see. Oh, it's just me and green. Oh, okay. Gotta go over to green's base. Just actually right next to here. Alright, let's go get some wool and let's go over. I think we're gonna take the W. He's at mid right now. I think I'll go use my telepearl over there. Yep, he's dead. He had balloons? Oh. Okay, looks like we took the W. I don't think I have a time for another round, but so I think that's gonna be it for the video. Okay, I'm pretty sure that was a pretty good win. I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty easy. So guys, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you guys if you want me to play some more Bed Wars, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.